Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. My Galaxy S23 Ultra just received a new software update. The size of the update is important because it will tell you everything. It's 454 megabyte and the version number you can see is this. In today's video I will show you what this update includes and why these monthly security patches are important, and I also talk about the upcoming Android 16 and One UI 8.0 which all Galaxy users are excited about, and at the end I will also give you few tips for safe updating. As you can see, this is mainly a monthly security patch update. It doesn't bring any visible changes or enhancement to your phone, but it's very important. These updates fix security loopholes, improve device stability, and sometimes optimize performance in the background. So even if you don't see any new features, they keep your Galaxy device running smoothly and securely. Now I know many of you are waiting for the big update, One UI 16 with One UI 8, sorry, Android 16. I am very excited. Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Samsung is already preparing the beta version. We can expect testing to begin on the S23 series very soon. Some of the exciting features expected in One UI 8.0 are smarter AI integration for text suggestions, translations, and overall system intelligence, more lock screen and wallpaper customizations, improved privacy and security controls, better battery and performance optimizations, and new Samsung exclusive features that make Galaxy phones stand out. So yes, this monthly update is small, but it's preparing your device for big jump coming later this year. Many users often ignore monthly updates, but they are actually very important. Hackers constantly try to find new ways to attack smartphones, and Samsung along with Google patches these issues through security updates. Installing them on time means your phone stays safe from viruses, malware, and data theft. Here are few important tips to update your phone safely. First, backup all of your data before updating. You can use Samsung Cloud or Google Drive or even manual USB backup. You must need to charge your device above 50%. Otherwise, if something happens during this time, you will regret that. Use Wi-Fi to avoid major mobile data charges, and don't interrupt the installation process once it starts. Also, I will request you to perform the software update process in cool environment, and after update restart your phone if it doesn't do so automatically. This helps apply optimizations. So that's the latest Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra update explained, along with a sneak peek at One UI 8.0 and Android 16. Make sure you don't skip these security patches because they are just as important as the big feature updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more Samsung updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.